In the Fairhaven program, grades 10 through 12, students have a variety of different academic experiences. But in addition to all of that, what makes this program really unique is that students focus not only on the academics, but also on skills that are being learned through experiences that will teach them to become self-sufficient in their lives. These are things like practicing how to work with people in group projects or as we travel together. This could mean advocating for self, like coming to tell a teacher, I need help with something. It could be figuring out how to budget money, such as putting a trip together and figuring out how to make an itinerary that works for everybody and also stays on budget. These skills that they're practicing in the classroom right now directly reflect their success later on in life. As students think ahead towards their adult careers, they're going to have to work with a variety of different people. They're going to have to negotiate different personalities. They may even have to live with other people outside of their family in a dorm or apartment setting. They, in addition, if they choose to go to college, are going to be navigating relationships with professors, knowing how to advocate for themselves and how to really make sure that they are taking charge of their learning experience, which is something that they've been doing at Butler for a really long time. In addition to this, we want our students to be self-sufficient and to be financially independent. So learning how to budget money, not only their money, but also money for the whole community, gives a level of responsibility that they can take with them. They can use these experiences to make sure that they're living adult lives that are sustainable, that are independent, self-reliant, and that really make them set up for success in college, their careers, and beyond.